We are going to start our course today. Welcome to join our course. And we have here already Dr. Maria from Pakistan, Saira from Malaysia. And also we invited today Mr. Hong, the founder of GDGS Beauty Training Center, director of the Guangdong Optical Society Laser Medicine and Aesthetic Committee, and also some other friends. They will also join us, and because our course will start on time, so we are going to start our course right now, and meanwhile our friends will join us later on, one by one, no problem. Okay, today our topic is how to select the aesthetic equipment, and we have 6 parts in total: introduction, and meanwhile we will talk about 4 machines: IPL, Nd:YAG laser, picosecond laser, CO2 fractional laser, and the last part is Q&A. Choicy company is a group company. We started to work for beauty industry since 2003, and we are producing, selling, and also doing clinical research, doing training. So we have different branches related to this beauty and aesthetic and the skin industry. Choicy is helping many customers in beauty industry. As you can see, we have different courses: online course, offline course. Our main customers are like doctors, beauticians, related to beauty industry and to skin problems. We are also going to different parts of the world to give offline trainings to some customers. Also some trainings, online training, and also we are sometimes attending a kind of conference to share experience